when you go to Greece for holidays, they serve a lovely chilled coffee.
When you go on holiday, you want to drink something fresh, cold, enjoy the sun, enjoy the sea.
With a lovely, nice, iced chilled frappe. So we have actually got a machine that will make frappe.
Let's go to the unboxing.
So let's go to the unboxing. We've got an instruction manual. Two in one.
It's too tall.
It's too tall. Sorry guys. So this is what we have in the box.
It's a stainless steel pot. And you have amounts, milliliters, how much you can fill it up. You can see from the inside. It has those numbers. You have to read upside down, but you will understand.
You get the point of how much you can actually put in and how much would you like to make.
And this is the machine. It's a drink mixer. It's a very powerful mixer. 100 watts on this device. On this device, you have on the back a switch that you control how fast the motor goes. On the device itself, it has that system on the bottom which makes the milk to get
frothed up. You have this system here, a special system that creates a barrier for the air. You can make frappe, you can make milkshakes.
Here on the top, you have a micro switch for kids' safety, in which it works only with the container on it. So if I can show you that. There. So the device itself now, it's one piece. And for the device to operate, to make your favorite coffee, frappe, you have to, and they supplied that, you have to use this plastic here. Come on, focus. Which goes to the interlock switch here. It's gonna make the device operate. We can show that, and then we're gonna make
a frappe.
Okay, let's do that. So let's see the interlock system, how it works.
So now it's got it on.
Now it's got it on, so let's see. Yep. So if you remove the interlock system, there, it doesn't do anything. Because the motor is 100 watts, so it's strong enough for a small kid to tangle their hair to the motor. And that's the reason they have this safety feature.
That is actually...
It's gonna make it more safer, just in case.
And you just...
Yep. Alright.
Quite strong. That's number one.
We're gonna make the recipe in front of you.
Sorry, I needed a spoon.
You need a spoon.
You need a glass.
You need a glass.
You need coffee.
What type of coffee is that?
Instant.
Instant coffee. Don't use a coffee that needs to be filtered. It has to be instant coffee.
Yeah, just the instant classic Nescafe type coffee.
Yes.
There is another recipe for iced coffee, but maybe we'll put it in the link below the video.
and sugar if you like. I put 3 sugars in.
You have to make it nice. if you do it, you have to make it nice.
We need some water.
Some water.
Not too much. You will see why.
And prepare yourself for some loud noises. It's not gonna take long.
Nope.
Let's see the results.
And as you can see, very froth.
Yeah?
Nice. And let's finish.
In seconds.
In seconds. And now, we have some ice here. Ooh! That was nice. It wanted to escape. As it's a nice coffee, you need like quite a lot of ice.
And you add water.
You add water. If you like, you can add milk. I don't like milk in my frappe.
But if you like milk, then you can use 5% milk or evaporated milk, and it's gonna make your coffee very nice. And you will see the separation of the coffee with the froth on the top.
You can already see it.
Yeah. Instant. Yeah?
And I will show you another trick for this mash.
So how you clean the blades? Because you have coffee and stuff like that on it.
You add some water in the container and you literally take the safety off ice. I find it easier. Turn it on. Done.
Yeah, and the reason you have to do that is because if you leave for a long time, coffee on this is gonna start making some spots on the plastic. So let's see the 2 speeds, because we haven't saw the 2 speeds, and you didn't mention which speed you use to make your coffee.
Number 1.
So you have the number 1, which is not gonna work. You see
Safety.
how practical is the safety. Number 1. This is number 1. And this is number 2. So if you want to enjoy your frappe at home and get ready for your holidays, here we have
Our frappe.
instant frappe at home with this special device. You can get it today from Amazon. We have an affiliate link on the bottom. You help the channel. We help you have your best coffee, and you will enjoy every day. Go back if you want. We're gonna put tags for the recipe, how you create your instant frappe.
In the description.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. This is Zoe MD, or Zoe and Mr. D if you want to say it. What?
Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.
See ya.